Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can sign up on Life360. For that, first of all, open up Life360 app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of Get Started. Tap on it. Select your country for country code and then enter your phone number. When you're done, tap on Continue. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your email address that you want to link to your account. Then set a password. Be sure to create a strong password. Select your birth year, birthday, and your birth month. Now you can have a private space only accessible by you and your family. To join or create your circle, tap on Continue. If you want to join a circle, enter your invite code, and if you don't have a code and want to create a new circle, tap on Create a New Circle, which is at the bottom of your screen. Set a name for your circle and then tap on Continue. There you can see the code. To share it with your family, tap on Share Code, and there you can see that you can share it via various apps. When you are done, tap on I am done sharing. Select your role in the circle. If you want to upload a photo, tap on Add your photo, and you can either take a photo or upload it from your gallery. If you do not want to add a photo, tap on Skip. Allow Life360 to access to your location, and then allow Life360 to access your physical activity. When you are done, tap on Continue. To add places your family visits often, select Continue. Now add your home by dragging the map, or you can simply enter your address. When you have set the location, tap on Save. If you want to add place other than your home, tap on Add another place. If not, tap on I am done adding places. If you want to start your 7 days free trial, tap on Start Free Trial. If not, tap on Maybe Later. This way, you can sign up on Life360. Now you can protect and connect your family, encourage safer driving, see your family's routine, know when they'll be home, and get help in a car crash. I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.